Welcome to this video on the bulkhead pattern. We'll explore how to prevent failures in one part of your system from affecting the entire application. Think of it like compartments in a ship that keep water from spreading if the hull is breached. The bulkhead pattern is a critical resilience technique in distributed systems that isolates resources to protect your services. The bulkhead pattern is a resilience strategy that isolates resources into separate pools to prevent cascading failures across your distributed system. Imagine a ship divided into watertight compartments. If one compartment gets breached, water stays contained in that section and doesn't sink the entire vessel. Similarly, when you partition your system resources, a failure in one component remains isolated and doesn't take down your whole application. Without the bulkhead pattern, your system faces serious risks. First, shared resource pools mean one failing component can consume all available resources, leaving nothing for other services. Second, a slow or broken service can exhaust thread pools, blocking all other services from processing requests. Third, these failures cascade throughout your system, where the failure of one service causes others to fail, ultimately bringing down your entire application. This is why isolation is critical. The bulkhead pattern works by partitioning your resources into isolated pools. Each service gets its own dedicated resources, such as thread pools, connection pools, or compute capacity. When resources are isolated this way, failures are contained within one partition. If a service in one bulkhead fails or consumes all its allocated resources, other services in their own bulkheads remain unaffected and continue operating normally. Let's compare systems with and without bulkheads. Without a bulkhead, you have one shared pool of 100 threads. Services A, B, and C all compete for the same resources. If service A goes slow, it can consume all threads, starving services B and C with bulkheads. Service A gets 40 dedicated threads, service B gets 40 threads, and service C gets 20 threads. Now if service A fails or slows down, it only impacts its own partition. Services B and C keep running with their guaranteed resources. There are several ways to implement the bulkhead pattern. Thread pools create separate executor services for each component or operation type. Connection pools isolate database or network connections per client. Memory limits assign dedicated memory boundaries to each component. And CPU quotas reserve specific CPU resources using containerization or process limits. The right implementation depends on what resources you need to protect and the constraints of your infrastructure. Here's a practical code example in Java. We create separate thread pools for different services. The payment pool gets 20 threads, the notification pool gets 10 threads, and the analytics pool gets 5 threads. Each service submits its tasks to its own executor. This ensures that even if the analytics service is slow, it won't affect payments or notifications because they have their own dedicated thread pools with guaranteed capacity. The bulkhead pattern provides significant benefits. Fault isolation ensures failures in one service don't impact others. Improved availability means critical services remain operational during partial system failures. Resource control prevents resource exhaustion and starvation across services. And predictable behavior ensures each component operates within defined boundaries, making your system more stable and manageable. Implementing bulkheads has trade-offs to consider. First, resource overhead increases because you need more total resources than a single shared pool. Second, configuration complexity grows as you must carefully size each bulkhead appropriately for its workload. Third, monitoring becomes necessary to track usage in each bulkhead and prevent under- or over-provisioning. Fourth, tuning is ongoing as bulkhead sizes may need adjustment based on changing traffic patterns and usage. Let's recap the key points. First, bulkheads isolate resources to prevent cascading failures from spreading across your system. Second, you can implement them through thread pools, connection pools, or resource quotas. Third, you trade some resource overhead for significantly improved fault tolerance and resilience. Fourth, and most importantly, The bulkhead pattern is an essential technique for building reliable distributed systems that can handle failures gracefully.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.